This is my first ever fashion video. I don't know কতটা ভালো করেছি কতটা খারাপ করেছি। হাই, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল সুমনা। আমি সুমনা। তো আজকে আমি নিয়ে এসেছি কিছু শাড়ি লুকস। I just use one saree, this yellow saree, and 5 blouse. I can create 5 look with this saree. I hope you like this video. Then like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to never miss out my any update. Now look number 2. I wore the same saree. I changed the blouse. This is a green blouse with some red and yellow border. You can use any type of green, olive green, dark green. This is a parrot green. I pleated the saree. This is kind of a daytime function look. I wore it as a stud golden earring and a simple necklace. This is my mom's. I stolen from her. And some colorful handmade bangles. I wore this saree pure Bengali way because I'm a Bengali, so I wore this saree Bengali way. This is look number 2 and same smudgy kajal look and red lipstick, very neutral makeup. This is my third outfit. Every wardrobe have a red blouse. Pick it your favorite red blouse and style it with a plain saree. You can wear it with a yellow saree, blue saree, green and a white, blue, also black. I accessorize with a matching green and red necklace with matching earring and a simple small red bindi and red bangles with matching with this. And I open my achal. You can also wear it with this way. It also look good. Also plaited this achal, but I open it because I like the way it looks. And this is my fourth look. I styled it with a sheer kind of velvet black blouse. This is appropriate for party look. I accessorize with a bangle, behind it a jhumka and a big golden studded jhumka and center parted bun and the same smoky kajal look. I wear a big jhumka, that's why I can't wear some necklace or anything. If you want a necklace, then you should wear a necklace, but I don't like necklace for this look, but I still like this look. This is the fifth and the last look of my this yellow saree look series. I wear it with a multicolor blue tone blouse and accessorize with a kundan long earring. This is very heavy. And a scented protect bun and also 2 pearl bangles. And the same makeup and the same hairstyle. That's it for the today's video. I hope you like this video. Then like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to never miss out my any update. And also comment down below which look are you like the most. My favorite look is the second look, which I wear green blouse and this saree and a pleated achal. See you in my next video. Bye.